This recipe is for Clootie Dumpling, which Clootie means cloth, so it's a dumpling made in a cloth, so it's pretty much like a Christmas pudding. It's quite traditional, it's not the lightest of puddings. And then we're going to do an elderflower custard with it. So first thing is the fruit. So it's just a mixture of fruit. I've got some dried peel in there as well. Suet, so that goes in. Brown sugar. Breadcrumbs. So it's a bit like a wee bit like Christmas pudding, some spices, so mixed spice, cinnamon and a bit of nutmeg. Plain flour with a bit of baking powder. A squirt of golden syrup, or you can use treacle. That gives that a mix around. An egg, whole egg. And then milk. And really just what you want to do now is just give this a really good mix together. It sort of looks a wee bit like Christmas pudding, a wee bit thicker. Maybe not as, you would pour your Christmas pudding into your bowls. This one, because we're wrapping it up, it needs to be quite thick. So this is a really traditional recipe. So if you wanted to put anything like orange peel or something like that, you could. But this is how it is here. So as I said before, it's not really one of the lightest puddings, but we're going to put this and we're going to actually boil it for about really roughly about 3 hours. So 2 sheets together. There's another sheet of parchment paper, and then what we'll do is just take our mixture, just put that into the middle. That goes in there. And then what we'll do is just gather this up. So you want to just sort of gather it like that into maybe 2 layers, just because it's getting cooked for so long in water. It's just to protect it. So you gather it up into like a kind of a parcel to get it really. Okay, so you want that sort of around. Okay, double bit of string here, tie that just to hold it together. And then linen, this is traditional actually. Jenny that works here gave me this here, so it's a bit of a traditional linen, which this would have been what would, I have to say this is a pillowcase. It was a pillowcase, so we're just going to wrap this up again like that, double it round, and then I've got a saucepan with a saucer in the bottom, but what they would have done is tied this up and on the crane and lowered it into a pot of water. So not many people have those at home, so we're just going to use a saucepan here. So we're going to swap over. I've got one that's actually been sort of sitting there for about 3 hours, so we'll swap now. Okay, so this is our already done Clootie Dumpling. It's actually quite funny because it smells of turf, so it smells like the cloth has taken up all the smell from the turf, so it actually smells lovely. I want to do some custard with this. So this in here, I have some egg yolk, whisked up a wee bit, sugar and corn flour. And just give that a nice whisk together. And in the pan there, I've got some cream, and I'm just going to add a nice splash of the elderflower cider and let that warm up. Our cream is nice and hot here with our cider, so just whisk that in on top of our egg yolk, half of it. Give it a good whisk, back into the heat again. I just want to give that a nice whisk until it's really until it thickens. There we are, so that's our nice custard there. So what we'll do is we'll take a slice of our Clootie Dumpling. So and then just take a nice drizzle of custard. Clootie dumpling with our elderflower cider custard.